Hi friends, very good evening. So this video I'm going to discuss about my charting scanner, especially for a swing trading. So we have created already I have created some scanners for a swing trading. So people who joined my Telegram group recently for a charting scanners, so they are facing some problems. So that's why I'm making this video, and you will know how to use the scanner and how the swing is working. So based on my charting scanner which I have created earlier, so that I am going to discuss in this video, and you will be getting so more detailed about the scanners. Okay, so here I am having a charting group, so where you can get all my premium scanners. The premium scanners, which is means so many scanners which having a customized indicator. So it is not defaultly available in charting, so we need to create by the customized one. And the right example like a ADR, a Camarilla, CPR, so mostly not available. And we created a customized one, and we will be getting that particular scanners for our trading strategy. So I have just going to check my swing scanners. So how to we can get almost 5 swings trading scanners which I have in my group. So after in the search box you can go for a swing. Then you will be finding our swing scanners, different days, and we are updating here in the swing. So I'm just going to discuss one by one. Okay, I'll be just going to take that swings trading scanners one by one with my charting scanner group. Okay, so let me start this video. So this is what my first scanner which I have created based on the swing trading, and I'm discussing about this particular scanner. So which I'm just creating for an positional swings, and it will not giving you much more stocks, and it will never repaint. That is the main important condition. So if any scanners which repaints, and it will be showing you only a quality stocks. Okay, so here I am just using a single condition. So why we are not getting any alert in this screener? So it is never repaint. So this swing trading scanners which aim to find out trade opportunities at a very lower level. So that is the main important where I am just finding out. So maybe if I'm just going for a back test. Okay, so recently at this point we have a 3 stocks, and if you are looking at from April, so we have a very few number of stocks, almost 7, 5 and 8 stocks only. Okay, so it is a very rare conditions we are filtering out the stocks. If you are looking for the daily stocks, it will not suitable. Okay, so even we have some more screeners, and it will working for a daily kind of trades. I will be showing you. So here the opportunity where I just finding out. So on 22nd for that is April 22nd, we have a 4 stocks which is filtered: Bandhan Bank, ICICI, and Ultratech and Techem. So how the stock is working and Bandhan Bank. So how it is finding the swing. So 22nd April. So here is the 22nd April where we got an opportunity based on the scanner. So here is the day. It is an EOD scanner, end of the day scanner, where I'm just keeping my entry point above to the candle high. So exactly maybe around 181.5. The swing low where it is a recent swing. So here is the recent swing low. That should be my stop loss where I'm keep my entry on the candle high, and this should be my stop loss for my trade. And that is a swing trade which I am going to take. And one more important thing, so this swing opportunity where I find out after the downtrend only. So after the correction, so we find a swing trading opportunity that I can take, and this is what a day where exceptionally due to that election result, maybe your stop loss got triggered, and before that there is a good move which is happening on the stock. Okay, and the second stock where exactly formed on this particular scanner is ICICI Bank, same date. And so one of the swing scanner in my group. So here on the 22nd, this is the point where I got 1088, and from there it went up to 1169. The recent swing low, even on the erection days also, it has not triggered 1047. And Ultratech and Techem, Ultratech, and if you are looking for a swing scanner, that would be best. So here is the 22nd April, and the recent swing is the low. So this is what a first scanner, and lot of backtests also be there, and recent thing Kotak Bank on 6.5. Let me check Kotak Bank, what is happening, whether any stop loss are there. 6.5. So 6th May, here is an opportunity for a swing. After the correction, we got a swing opportunity at the lowest level on 6th May, and that is the only stock we got on. And after that, we got Canara Bank on 14.5. Okay, so Can Bank 14.5. Here, there is a low. This is what an entry point. But next day it has a gap up. But after some 2 days later, it will giving the entry. And before that, it went up to 129. We got around 114. Okay, after that, maybe if you are keep holding, still it may be triggered our stop loss. The recent entries based on the swing. So if you are looking for many stocks, it will not given 6 6. I think this month. Okay, so IOC is the one more stock where we got an opportunity 6 6 maybe at this point. This I we are looking for an opportunity 167. Now it is on the same price. We may be expecting the upside move and the one swing scanner. And the next swing scanner which I used, it's a customized indicator. I all told you I am using a customized indicator. So if you are looking at comparison is more. So this is all my customized indicators that I am using for my trade finding. So it is not defaultly available if you are trying for this I minus open or something like customized range and something. And here it is giving you different stocks. Maybe recently we got it and backtest purpose we are taken here, and a lot of stocks which is happening. I think many stocks, Bata, Reliance, Tata Chemical, and 13.5. So let me check on 13.5. So this is the concept is different, and that one is a different concept. 13.5 maybe here, and that high and recent swing low. Okay, here is the breakout on Reliance, and many stocks we will be there in B-Soft, Gale, SBI card on the same day. Gale at this particular day, SBI card. So this is also be a particular day. Maybe this is a stop loss, but even though it is triggers our stop loss, 13th May, right? So 13th May is our entry point. It is triggers our stop loss because after next day it triggers our entry point, maybe I of that particular candle, and the next few days later it will trigger our target of sorry, it trigger our stop loss of 706. Still the stock would be remaining here because even if it is moves higher or moves lower once it is triggered, but that particular day we capture that particular stock for our opportunity. So that is what the main concept that I am saying you, it is never repaint. Okay, so I can easily say you some of the stocks may be repaint, and recently April 19th we have a Granulus, Ramco Cement, lot of stocks, LTI Mindtree. April 9th maybe here, sorry, April 19th. Yeah, so there is a breakout. So how much it is, maybe if I'm keeping the low of that particular candle, so I'm just taking near about 1.5%. Meanwhile it is moving towards almost 3%, but after that it triggers your stop loss, then it is moving higher almost 7%. But I'm just talking about whether after my entry it is moves or not. It moved and finally it triggers your stop loss if you have not booked it also. Okay, so these are my two premium scanners which is available on premium group. That is our paid group. Okay. Okay, I'll just go for a one more scanner which I'm going to find out. That is about a third one. Okay, so we have the scanners, like a third one is about a one more scanner. It is looks like a breakout. Okay, so where I'm just going for a breakout kind of trade. This is a one more scanner, the third swing scanner, so which I have many stocks, and then it is looks like a breakout kind of thing. So yesterday I seen Tata Consume, Sun TV, Tech Chem. I'll show you that particular Sun TV. It is kind of breakout. It is not finding a lower level. It is finding a higher level breakout for a swing. Okay, so here it is yesterday's high where it is given you the breakout, and today it was giving you some good movement, and by the opening itself it is moving well. And Tech Chem yesterday maybe opportunity and it started moving. It's a here this scanner will not finding a lower level swing, it is a higher level swing. And also I'm just using an one more swing scanner which helping for positional ones. And this is a one more thing. So recent stocks which we find out, Syngin and Crompton. So Syngin yesterday, okay, I above I can look for Crompton. So I above it was given, so maybe we are waiting for an opportunity. So back test purpose we will be using the previous ones, and this is what my swing scanners, almost 5 different swings opportunities, swing scanners available on my premium group. So I'm not selling this is one. So it is a group one time access. You can get more details about the scanners after you can do the back test also. It is almost from 2023 I was just updating on the group. So people are always asking about the swing. So that's why I'm making the scanner, and even you can do the backtest data, previous backtest data also. So maybe in a long back to March 6th, March month, go for take M LTM entry. So let me go for go forge March on the March month 6/3. 6/3 here is the one. Sorry, nothing here. So next day That high of that particular candle 6368, next day 78, maybe opening itself triggered, and stop loss also triggered. After the stop loss, still the stock in the list. That's the main important thing. Some of the scanners showing you only a moved stocks only. If any stop loss ticket, that would be removed from the list. It is not by the charting default, it is by the coding default. So when the coding is not right, so you may not find the failure signals. So that will be a very problem for making a trades based on the scanners. But so we created the scanners based on the conditions, that works very well. And it is not repaid. LTM entry on 6.3, maybe this is also be a stop loss. 11 6, this is also be a stop loss, but it is giving you some movement, and third day it triggers a stop loss, because we are trying to find a swing lows. You can see the downtrend, we are expecting the move, but here it is down, maybe our small stop loss got triggered. If it is giving an opportunity, that may be a better result for the swing one. So these are all the 5 swing trading scanners which is available in my premium group. If you want more detail to join, how to join the premium group, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. You will be getting more details about all that group also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And thanks for reaching 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you all my subscribers who are subscribing the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.